how to add subtitle through CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to add subtitle to your video using CapCut. So after you open the CapCut, now here is my video and here is my audio. So after you open just the CapCut, go to this section, caption. After you go to the caption section, so here you can choose the subtitle language. So for me, I'll just go with the English. That's the default language of my video. So after you just choose the language, click on this generate and allow it to finish loading. So after some seconds, it will generate your subtitle like this now. So now here is my subtitle. So now I'll go ahead now and customize the subtitle. So all you have to do now, select all the subtitle. After you select all the subtitle like this, go to this section, text, and then go to this animation. Under the animation, go to this caption. So if you come to this text and then animation, under the animation, go to caption. So from this caption, scroll to down. So I'll just go ahead and customize the subtitle. I'll choose this one. So after this one, so as you can see now, I choose this one. This will mark each word that is going through the subtitle. So now after you choose this one, I'll go back to text. Now I'll go back to the text again. I'll scroll to down. So let's say now I want to change the font of the text. So I'll just go ahead and choose the font. Here is it now. I'll just click on this font. I'll go and choose another font for my subtitle. Let's say I want to use this font. I want to use this one. After you choose the font you want to use, so if you want to decrease the size of the font or of the title, so here you can decrease the size. So I'll just decrease the size to 6, or if you want you can increase the size by going off. So I'll just decrease the size to 6. So from there, now if you want to position the subtitle, let's say you don't want the subtitle to be at the bottom, you want it to be at the middle, or you want it to be at the any position you want it to be, just all you have to do, just select all the subtitle and then take it to the position where you want it to be. So for me, I want it to be in this side. After that, I'll just go ahead now and play my subtitle.
Travelers, welcome back.
So if you want to like change the background, this is a yellow background. If I want to change the background, I don't want this one. So I'll just go ahead and after you select all the subtitle like this, just go to the text. Under the text, go to basics and scroll to down. If you scroll to down, so check on this background. Under the background, so you can choose this one and click on this color. So from this option, you can choose a different color for your background. I'll choose red. It's okay. So now I'll go ahead and play my.
Welcome back. Today we're comparing two of the most popular.
So that's it, guys, on how to add subtitle using CapCut. Make sure to like and subscribe.